Good morning, students. Today I am telling you about something the kinds of noun. A noun is a word used as a name of person, place, or thing. The word thing is used to mean anything that we can think of. Look at the following sentence. Ashoka was a wise king. The noun Ashoka refers to a particular king, but the noun king might be applied to any other king as well to Ashoka. We call Ashoka a proper noun and king a common noun. Similarly, Sita is a proper noun, girl is a common noun. Hari is a proper noun, boy is a common noun. Kolkata is a proper noun, city is a common noun. India is a proper noun, country is a common noun. Okay, so the word girl is a common noun because it is a name common to all girls, while Sita is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular girl. Definitions now. There are 4 types of noun. Common noun. Common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Common here means shared by all. Second, proper noun is a name of some particular person or place. Proper means one's own. Proper name is a person's own name. Proper nouns are always written with capital letter in the beginning. Proper nouns are sometimes used as common nouns, as he was a Luqman of his age. Luqman means the wisest man. Kalidas is often called the Shakespeare of India. She means the greatest dramatist. Common nouns include what are called collective and abstract nouns. So third type of noun is collective noun. It is a name of number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken as of one whole. Example, crowd, mob, and so on. Like the police disperse the crowd. Now crowd of people means crowd is collective noun. An abstract noun. Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs, and it can be felt only. We cannot touch it, we cannot see it. Like quality like goodness, kindness, whiteness, darkness, hardness. Action like laughter, theft, movement, judgment, hatred. State like childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery. Abstract nouns can be framed by adjective, kindness from kind, honesty from honest, from verbs like obedience from obey, growth from grow, from common noun like childhood from child, slavery from slave. Another classification of noun is whether they are countable or uncountable, like countable nouns or countables are the names of objects, people, etc. Then we can count. Example, book, pen, apple, boy, sister, doctor, horse. Uncountable nouns are the names of things which we cannot count. Example, milk, oil, sugar, gold, honesty, etc. They mainly denote the substances and abstract things. Countable nouns have plural forms while uncountable nouns do not have. For example, we say books but we cannot say milks. Okay? Means there are 4 types of noun: common, collective, proper, abstract. Common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class of kind. Proper noun is a name of some particular person or place. Collective noun is the name of number or person or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. And abstract noun is usually the name of quality, action or state considered apart from object to which it belongs. And another classification of noun is uncountable noun and countable nouns. countable nouns which we can count and uncountable nouns which we can't count.